scene outside Seattle, that train that derailed, and it's just horrific. Could have been even worse.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that was the first time it had been on the tracks there, and then that happened on day one.
And it's our top story, of course, this new information we have this morning on the train derailment in Washington State. We now know it was going 80 miles an hour at the time in a 30-mile-an-hour zone. NBC's Gotti Schwartz has the very latest for us from the scene. Gotti, good morning to you.